This is Pat Walker, Admission Winners, with just a recap of the stocks, some of the stocks that were on the key list, and what they're doing, what they did. I'm going to take you inside some actual trades from this past week. These stocks, again, they triggered from the key list. Some of them are just starting to make moves. Some of them have made strong moves. We're going to walk through each one so you can see why it was on the key list and the triggers that we look for. First, we're looking at is BWXT. Notice it's a simple base that everybody can see. It pushed through here, and again, today's Friday, and that's when I'm making this video. This broke out today across these tops. Volume is just okay so far, but I'd like to show you something very important. This is a great tactic that we use it, and that's what I taught at IBD meetups. Take it down to this is the daily, take it down to the 30-minute chart. See the volume that came into it, and you can really see it. Look at the hourly as it's pushing through. Volume is talking to us. It had a buy right in here. We call it 145. It's at 148. You can say, well, that's only $3. Just today, it's a start. It's a start, and that's what we look for. Price action backed by volume. And again, BWXT was on the key list. Let's continue onwards here. That was bought today. CDNS, these are from this week primarily. CDNS, symbol-based breakout right there, and it pushed through today. Now you can say, well, the volume's just about average. Take it to the 30-minute chart, and you can see there's good volume on that first bar, folks. This was yesterday. This is today. Here's the hourly chart. Look at the volume. Again, it's a common theme. Look for volume. Volume tells us something very important. It tells us we see it, other people see it, and they're buying. It's good for about a $7 gain so far, just today, and it was on the key list again for today. That's what we're looking for. Let's continue onwards. Palantir was on the key list, and I'm going to show you the daily chart. Always frame things up against bigger time frames, weekly or daily charts. Simple flat base that everybody can see. All right, we just want to see it, and I'm going to show you something how to do this. Oh, those are flat tops, Pat. I can see that. I guess if it takes that line out, that would be a good start. Yes, and it was on the key list for buy. And it pushes it. It's just a starting today, but take it down to the 30-minute. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Institutions bought on this bar, folks. That's not just mom and dad buying. That's serious money. Just to put it in context, the last bar here on yesterday, the volume was 2.2 million shares. The first bar today, same time frame, first hourly bar today, 5 right here. 13.7 million shares. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Institutions talk, but price backed by volume is what we're looking for. And again, that's a good move. 5 points plus, just starting today, close to 6. That's what we're looking for. And again, it was on the key list. Let's continue onwards. And note the clean tops on the daily chart. Moving on here. AB. Okay. Alliance Bernstein has a base across here. Lifted up. Took off a couple of days ago here. Today it's just following through. But note the simple base across these tops. That's exactly what we're looking for. So it's not a massive move, but it's a start. Always remember, every big move has to start someplace. And this is a start. That's what we're looking for as far as gains. What are we going to do with it? Well, if it continues upward, we may buy more. But for right now, for a start, we're in good shape. Again, this was on the key list this week. We rounded out with this one. Viking was on the key list this week. It has not triggered yet. You can say, it's just going sideways. This is a very important lesson. We are looking for price push with volume, and we have the discipline admission winners to wait for it. It hasn't triggered yet. However, look at the base right here. This was on the key list back here, pushing through $49. Okay? Look at the volume pickup on this bar. You see that? They voted. And then the next bar, they really voted. We were buying this in here at $49, okay? And here it is trading over 58. How's that? 49 was bought 58, 9 points, right? That's a 15.5%. My apologies. That's a 15.5% gain coming through here. That is a good gain. Just starting, folks. That's what we're looking for.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.